Forex has been through a baptism of fire with the regulator and the JSE challenging the business model, basic assumptions and the security of the platform. They've dealt with those and other concerns and are now ready to talk to the more than 300,000 companies that operate in South Africa. 50,000 of those are potential listees.
Well, we are starting with so we're operational and we're open and ready for business. We've got our first 2 listings scheduled for April and May, and then another 4 in the pipeline, and then we're good to go.
The exchange trading platform is aiming to attract a specific type of listing and investor.
You're looking at small to medium-sized businesses with a market cap of 100 million to 8 billion rand, and that would be companies who wish to list, whether they wish to introduce themselves to the market for access to capital, and who haven't listed for a variety of other reasons previously. There's obviously the institutional investors who are currently invested on the JSE, and then of course retail investors.
The so-called back office IT communications and technology systems are what make this offering attractive. It's all about creating confidence, building liquidity and growing volumes.
I think it's exciting. It's in a highly regulated market, Forex is one of the first stock exchange to ever go live outside of the Western world in a secondary primary exchange point of view.
Brokers and financial advisors looking for new opportunities, either to list their clients' companies or to invest in new businesses, may have found an alternative to the JSE.
This gives us the opportunity to actually service our clients better. But also there is currently existing barriers in South Africa, and the like Forex is breaking down that barriers, and we can enter into untapped markets. Examples like companies who can't usually list on JSE, it's just too small, those companies can now list on Forex.
While it's initially based in South Africa, the exchange has continental aspirations.
So I don't think there'll be any protectionist bun fights, but I think that what we would probably do is work with the exchanges in the different countries and probably provide support to them in terms of them expanding their market as well as accessing it by ourselves.
This is exciting news for those 300,000 companies that are operating in South Africa at the moment, but it's also good news for the township enterprises looking to take that step up to get into the mainstream and to get listed. I'm Angelo Coppola for CGTN in Johannesburg, South Africa.